We are making what we kids know as your pita, but it's a family recipe. And tell us a little bit about it.
It comes from the northern part of Greece, which is the real Macedonia. And it was, I learned it from my mother, who learned it from her mother. So it's your great-grandmother's recipe. Mm-hmm. And it is a dough that is filled with leeks and cheeses and eggs. So we call it a prasopita.
So most people would think of spanakopita, which is spinach, but we use leeks instead. And it's a homemade phyllo dough that we're making today.
Correct.
Cool. All right. Well, let's show everybody how we're gonna make it happen.
Okay.
All right. So my mother just rolled out both the top and the bottom portion of the phyllo dough for the pita.
Yes, it's customary to do one at a time, but I'd like to cut corners and get right to the bottom line. And it usually works for me where I can roll it out big enough and then fold it together to make two pieces, the top and the bottom. And we're going to let it cool for at least 45 minutes to an hour.
Bravo.
Thank you.